Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest Lucid Motor news. We are also going to be talking about the LCID stock, as I do think it is a diamond in the rough. We have three major forces that are putting huge pressures onto this company. The first one being the supply chain issue that is plaguing all electric vehicle and auto manufacturing companies to prevent them from scaling their vehicle production. The second being the chip shortage. We have seen a huge pressure on all electric vehicle and technology companies being put down on these companies to actually prevent them from getting their vehicles going out. And the third is that Russian war with Ukraine, as we do know that the rough materials to make electric batteries is in Russia, nickel being the biggest commodity that we are needing, and this is creating a huge spike in the cost of building batteries for electric vehicles. So again, all these pressures are putting on Lucid Motors is creating a diamond in the rough. I do think this is going to be an amazing stock in the future, and I am a glad investor. I think these prices should make you extremely excited because we do have very nice futures ahead. We will be talking about this and more. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others, your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to grow the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to get your free stocks using my links down below to Moomoo and Weeble. And stay to the end of this video to get detailed information. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Lucid Motors. As I mentioned, this company is a diamond in the rough. We have huge pressures being put on this company, but these pressures are going to make us a very nice diamond in the future. I do think that this company has huge potentials moving forward. We have seen Ford Motor Company, General Motors, and now Tesla testing the Lucid Air Dream vehicle, testing its performance, testing its battery technology, testing the fastest charging system on the market. It is a 900-volt architecture that does have bidirectional charging. It can charge the vehicle 300 miles in just about 20 minutes. Incredible technology in this company, and people are noticing. Even Tesla has been shown to be testing this vehicle on its track in Fremont, California, to take an advantage and look at its technology. Again, the bar is set, and the bar is Lucid Motors. Now, a very big catalyst moving forward in this company is just going to be this week on Thursday, Cinco de Mayo, May 5th will be its earnings day. We will find out incredible information about this company. The biggest one being, where are they stuck now with the supply chains? Have they been able to produce more vehicles and get past these supply chain issues? We have heard in the last earnings call, the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, has said that they have over 250 companies that they are working to get commodities, to get parts from, and only a handful, only about 5, they're having critical component problems. Most importantly, last time we heard that glass, that panoramic glass that just slopes around the vehicle, that is one of the biggest problems right now. They are getting also the fit and finish, the luxury carpets, a lot of the materials that they have inside the vehicle, they're having a very hard time getting their hands on that quality, nice product that they can deliver to their customers. We have heard that Lucid has cut down its production volumes from 20,000 electric vehicles projected for this year down to about 12 to 14,000. Are they going to be able to accomplish this year? That is the biggest question that investors are going to have. I do suspect that if more supply chain issues continue, that could force this number even lower. If that does, this stock has already been hit hard, is already currently trading at the $18 mark. Could this bring some downward pressure? It definitely could. We are still not out of the woods. We are still having huge headwinds moving forward for this company. But look, when you are investing, to look at this company long term, not this year, not next year. Look for the year 2024, 2025. In those years, Lucid will be introducing its new vehicle, the Gravity, which will be its first SUV, and I do think it will have some very nice demand numbers. In addition to this, we are also seeing that Lucid has now announced that it will be producing up to 100,000 electric vehicles, a big purchase order by Saudi Arabia that will be starting first with only 50,000 vehicles that will be produced for Saudi Arabian government. If you look at the technical analysis, if you look at the possible revenue, that is an incredible revenue of over $7 billion for this company, a huge purchase order. And we do know that this will start next year. Right now, next year, Saudi Arabia will be purchasing and receiving anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 electric vehicles. But by the year 2030, they have plans to have that big purchase order. This is incredible revenue growth for this company moving forward. Now, in the last earnings report, we did hear that Lucid Motors is sitting on a huge pile of cash, roughly about $6.2 billion of cash. They already have a facility in Arizona. They are also working on expanding that factory in Arizona by adding an additional 2.85 million square footage to make even more vehicles. That is great news that we are seeing. They are just needing to get that ramp up production. But if they do not have the materials to put this vehicle together, especially the fit and finish parts of this vehicle, that is the biggest critical step. The very nice thing that we have heard from the last earnings report is that the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, mentioned that they do not have any problems getting the battery put together, the battery technology, the electric components, the electric motors. That is not where the problems are. The problems are getting those critical, crucial materials, the fit and finish. And right now, that is going to be its Achilles heel. But this is very fixable. This is correctable, and this is going to be great movement into the future. Now, that being said, what are we looking forward to in May 5th, Cinco de Mayo? I am actually looking at reservation numbers. Right now, the last time we have heard, we have seen that there are 25,000 reservation numbers for the Lucid Air vehicles. I would like to see a breakdown of the different trims. We do know that the Lucid Air sedan does come in 4 different trims. The most base model, the Lucid Air Pure, is only $77,400 base price on this. It does require a $300 reservation. And Lucid has now announced that it will continue its 3-year free charging through Electrify America until the end of June of this year, 2022. So get your reservation in for that Lucid Air Pure, as I do believe this is the best bargain vehicle that you can currently get, electric vehicle, when you do look at its range, its performance. And I will be making a video comparing this, as this is the cheapest electric vehicle that you can get with this performance and with this luxury. But I will be comparing it to a Tesla product that I think will surprise you, and that will be coming up very shortly. I'm super excited about this company moving forward, especially at these price points. So right now, the LCID stock is at an incredible purchase price. I did just want to show you that currently this stock is trading at $18. Sometimes it does dip down below $18, but again, this is incredible opportunities. Right now, this company has a valuation of $29 billion. That does make it a very nice deal, in my opinion. But this price of the stock is incredible, being this at $18. Just on Friday, we have dropped on this stock by 4.3%. In the past 5 days, we have seen ups and downs as low as $17.50 and as high as right above $19. But in the past 1 month, we have seen huge downward pressure, down more than 29% on this stock. But we do have incredible potential, as in November, the stock has gone as high as $55. But now, since we have heard that the supply chain issue is not just hurting Lucid Motors, it's hurting all electric companies and vehicle companies, this is bringing this stock down. In addition to this huge supply chain issue, we are seeing the highest inflation, currently at 8.5%. That is putting huge downward pressures on the whole market as a whole. We do have the Fed trying to crack down on inflation, trying to increase interest rates. They are trying to increase it by 0.5%, which will be announced possibly this week. that the interest rates will be going up. This is going to make it very difficult for brand new companies and EV companies to start generating some income. Now, Lucid Motors does not have that problem, luckily, because it does have a huge backing by the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund that is holding 62% of its shares. And now we do see that they have a huge interest in the company, especially putting that huge purchase order in. So this is great news if you are a long-term holder of this company, and this will keep this company afloat. Again, I do suspect that there is going to be a lot of interest to get this vehicle, and especially at that base price. The Lucid Air Pure is one of the best vehicle prices that you can get into. You can get a vehicle single motor version, 4.1 second 0 to 60, 406 mile range. Incredible technology in this company that cannot rival any other. But again, this stock is at an incredible opportunity, and we have seen those institutions buying it. But always please do your own due diligence, always do your own research. But I am super excited about this company moving forward. But if you did like this video, if you did learn something new, please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. I'd greatly appreciate it. Join the channel, join the community. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. Don't forget to share this page with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor. I'd greatly appreciate it. And also, I have those incredible opportunities to get the free stocks down below using my link to Moomoo right now. If you open a brand new account starting on May 1st and you have a balance in there at least $2,000 or more, and you can hold that at least for 30 days, Moomoo will give you a free Twitter stock. In addition to this, they will give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Incredible upside potential right now that you can get some free money. Also using my link down below to Webull. If you open a brand new account with at least 1 penny in that, they'll give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,000 each, which is an incredible opportunity to get $15,000 of free stocks, free money. Take advantage of those huge opportunities. But most importantly, thank you for watching, for supporting the channel. I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one, and have a great weekend. We'll talk to you on the next one. Thank you.